Hello everyone, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kunchlo. My name is Gaurish and I know it has been a really long time since I have uploaded like a sit down video and that too related to NEET. You might have read by the title, NEET is very near and you people I hope are prepared and have prepared really well. I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to take first of all a lot of time of yours because I understand this is like very crucial time and you need everything fatafat at this point of time. I'm just going to tell you few very basic important thing that you have to keep in mind during this 8 days which will help you score well in your NEET examination because see I always believe that it is not something जो आपके हाथ में you know आप कितना भी पढ़ लो चाहे जितना भी कर लो कितना भी इधर उधर से पढ़ो ये बुक पढ़ो वो बुक पढ़ो लेकिन अल्टीमेटली इफ एट द टाइम of paper if you are not able to remember it and if you are not able to write it down or mark whatever encircle it in your OMR sheet then it is not going to help you at all. So therefore I believe there are some very important tips and tricks which I want to share with all of you which you should do in this last 8 days in order to ensure that you score well. So my number one point will be do not solve any mock paper during this last 7 days और 8 days whatever it is because I believe कि जितना तुमको solve करना था वो तुमने already पहले solve कर दिया है. I am very sure that majority of you have solved like really many mock paper and have analyzed it properly, but right now is the time when you do not solve any mock because it will actually mess up with your confidence. देखो अगर तुमने easy mock solve किया तो तुम over confident हो जाओगे, अगर तुम्हें difficult आया then you will become really under confident and that will mess up with your head. And this is the tip that my teacher told me, friend also told me who was already passed out NEET with good marks. So this is what I would like to tell you, that do not solve any paper at this point of time. Like give every single minute to revising. Okay, next step which I would like to tell you that please revise everything that you have read. जब भी 11th के फर्स्ट चैप्टर से लेके 12th के लास्ट चैप्टर तक जो भी तुमने सीखा है, whether it is physics or chemistry or bio, you should revise it in this last 8 days. It is extremely important to revise everything because again I feel that it doesn't really matter what you have read before. अगर तुमको वो टाइम पे वो रिकॉल नहीं करते आ रहा है, then every मेहनत that you have done is going to go waste. So therefore it is extremely important to revise everything in this last. I would definitely like to tell you all that you can check out MemoNeet at this point of time.
Always believe that NCERT is the most powerful tool in order to score well in NEET examination, and therefore I would like to tell you all that MemoNeet is a perfect app because it has line to line question from NCERT. Every single line of NCERT along with diagrams are properly covered in this app. We all know that NCERT reading for most of the student is like the curve of read, forget and then repeat, and I don't want that to happen with you all. Therefore I would like to advise you all to try MemoNeet. It has 20,000 plus question from biology and chemistry that has been practiced 20 million times by 1 lakh student. Obviously since they cover the entire NCERT through question, almost 90% of NEET 2021 question came directly from MemoNeet, and it has this amazing technique of revision technique that has 7 level of memory which move from each and every question from temporary to permanent memory, is absolutely necessary for proper revision. As you can see in chemistry also, they have proper segregation of inorganic, organic and physical chemistry. If you religiously follow the app, then definitely it is going to help you, and it will help you score very good in biology and chemistry. Well, there is physics section also. For physics section, they attack it with 3 things. First is the lecture videos of important topic. Second is concept building question from every part of the video. It's basically re-watching the video again if you practice them. And the third thing, which is the most important, are previous year question and questions similar to previous year question, which is a game changer. This is tailor made for average student to make them top NEET exam, as we all know that it is extremely competitive. It also has a special revision technique which make you practice the same question on the first, third, fifth and seventh day, and so on until it move from your temporary memory to your permanent memory. It is almost like a game. The link of the app will be in the description box below. You can use my code Kunchlo300 to get 300 rupees discount. For bank transfer etc. detail, check the description box.
Third point, which is really basic but it is extremely important, is that do not sleep or otherwise be inactive from 2 to 5 p.m. because this is like the prime time when NEET is going to happen, which you all must be aware of. And every year it happens, and I've always told in my previous video also that whenever you are giving mock, try to give it during the 2 to 5 p.m. wala slot only. But I would like to tell all of you that even whatever you have done before doesn't really matter, but from in this last 8 days, do not sleep or otherwise do not be inactive during this period of time. Try reading as much as you can, try doing proper focused concentrated studies in this particular slot, in this last 8 days, and properly revise at this point of time. If try to sit at one place, that will really help. Try not going to washroom or otherwise eating or even like drinking coffee or tea at this point of time. Like be active irrespective of anything. And please do not sleep at this point of time. It's actually, please do not try to read or revise anything new at this point of time. कुछ भी ऐसी नई बुक लेके या फिर नए क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने मत बैठ जाओ, या फिर इवन नई थ्योरी पढ़ना मत बैठ जाओ. Whatever you have read in the past like 2 to 3 months ago when you were giving mocks and when you were in the process of completing your syllabus, you should be revising only and only that. अभी जो भी छूटा है वो छूटने दो. जो भी कुछ भी नया किसी का सुन के यूट्यूब चैनल से या फिर कोई फ्रेंड से या फिर कोई सीनियर से या फिर कोई टीचर से सुन के कुछ भी नया मत करो. इट विल mess up with your mind. Do everything which you have already done, like NCERT and revising and everything. Tip that I followed and it has actually given me good result is that definitely do biology, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry toward the end of this 7 days when NEET is like really really near, like on Friday को कर लिया या फिर Saturday को कर लिया जो भी, and 3-4 days before the NEET examination, instead of doing physics and physical chemistry, because that is something which I personally believe that it is easy to retain, it is not that volatile, वो आपको याद रहेगा अच्छे से, but these are something which are very very volatile, and if you do it just before the NEET examination, it is going to be fresh in your mind and obviously you will be able to recall it faster. ठीक है. And last tip which I would like to give all of you, that definitely it is easier said than done, but try relaxing, breathe a little bit. It is extremely important because I definitely believe that whatever you all have done, I believe in you that you have given your best, you have done really really well, good studies and proper studies for your examination. It is an extremely important examination to me, to you, to all of you, to all of us, and I definitely believe that you have given your best, and now it is the time to breathe in, breathe out. Genuinely मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा, but योगा करो, प्राणायाम करो, थोड़ी ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज करो. That really really helps. Believe in yourself, do a little bit of breathing exercise here and there in order to prepare. अच्छे से बैठ के calmly, ज़्यादा भी मत, चलो भी मत, and make sure that you do not drench yourself in this rain and you do not get wet and you do not catch any other infection. This is also actually really really important because health is obviously the most important thing when it comes to giving NEET paper, and mental health is also really really important. So try breathing exercise and this and that. It will really really help you. And just want to tell you that you are much more capable and you know much more than what you think you know. बहुत तुम लोगों ने अच्छे से मेहनत की है. I believe in you. इसके बाद it is going to the best time of your life. Take it from me, from who is doing first year MBBS right now. It is, you do not know that how amazing times are ahead of you, and definitely keep studying properly. अच्छे से 7 दिन करो, उसके बाद तो मतलब फोड़ के आओ और फिर मजे करेंगे साथ में बैठ के. I hope you like this video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Kunchlo. Do not waste time any other time on YouTube right now. Don't even watch like my videos. I'm definitely not telling you ये video देख के बस रुक जाओ. And be happy. It is very important to be happy. Keep smiling, keep doing your best, and you will do amazingly well in NEET examination. Best of luck.